Batty boy.
How you want to get in it soon?
Man, bun buck like bike.
Really, you know? You don't know. Just set them out and let them tell the police.
Bridge, mash up! Bridge,
Why, people? I don't know what fully go on this, so I understand with them police. Yeah. I don't know what really I go on. I see one chuck did them, I see one tractor did them, I see one bike. Basically, police are ride the man bike because the man say, yo, come on for the man bike. The other one, police, tractor, the other one tell the police, so yo, go suck him, mother. You understand? Big old chuck over the full of stuff and certain people and say, yo, fuck, you should have did this and that, too much bad word, cause sorry for the bad word people, whatever. You understand? But all me can say is people, boy, I don't know. The problem I see is the social distancing. The people, them not practicing people and them not listening and rolling. You understand? But the matter at the end of the day, people, you don't know, say, we have to just obey the rules and the laws, you know what I mean? As I say, I can't judge and say who wrong this, because I don't know the fullest of what one. Get me? I don't know the fullest if the people them do something wrong out of the way where them not to do and the police them step in. But honestly, I can say something happen where the police them step in, because there would be a police on the tractor try drive or something. There would be a police on the bike this and you see the truck park or this and the people and they argue and so. But we don't know Jamaican go already, people. Honestly, we're not going to say every Jamaican, but we don't know most of we go. You understand? Even when we're wrong, we feel so we're right. At most of the time, most of we, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, people, we know so we are police who go around the things sometime and do step in the things and do things that them not have to do. You get me? I say some things that they can't even avoid, they can't avoid, they not avoid it. You know what I mean? Because you have some police who treat the poor people them worse than how they that treat the one that we have money. Treat we like dog shit, kick over with grocery, kick over with food that we are selling and something. And the rich man, they do them big old store that do illegal activities, and just because the rich man can squeeze them a thing, you know, be with them. But we poor one then target. And that's what it happen. But at the end of the day, people all over say, boy, just so the people them can just go and practice the social distancing. You understand? Tap the bag of grouping and this and that and that, and protect yourself. Try protecting yourself, because this thing is serious. You understand? Say, I don't know a thing of yours and subscribers, man. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Peace, love, and respect. And remember, subscribe. Peace out.